Adam here with Brooksaw Antiques. Today we have this 1939 Corona Standard vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Made in the USA, and the ultimate classic portable typewriter. Beautiful glossy black paint. You can see a reflection in it. They had two versions of this. This is the curvy top, and they also had a flat top. And then they transitioned in the 40s to a flat black instead of the glossy black. So this is the only era really that you can get the nice glossy black, and earlier versions in the 20s as well. Margins are located behind this flip panel here, and you just push and move it like this. And you just want to make sure that they're set in between those two paper fingers. We can reset those once you load the page. And this is the paper. These are the paper fingers up front here, and those hold the page down nice and tight. And I just put them on the edge for maximum clearance. And let's test those margins. So if you get too close to those paper fingers, you will get stuck on them. So that's pretty good for now. Once you hear the bell, you're near the end of the margin. Hit this line space, get you back to the beginning. It skips 1 or 2 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, just flip this switch towards you. Skips 2, flip it back, it skips just 1. We're going to keep that on single for now and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence in red on the next line. I'll switch from black to red. There's a switch on the right side here. Flip that down to the red indicator. Prints the bottom portion of the ribbon, which is red. When you have it in the middle on the white indicator, it prints no ink at all. Just leaves a stencil for copying purposes. When you have it up top on the blue indicator, it prints the top portion of the ribbon, which is black. We're going to move that down for red. Beautiful. Super responsive and comfortable to type on. Easy to type on. And the print looks really good. It's got a new platen on it. Pica typeface, prints 10 characters per inch. Really nice for its age. To pull the page out easy, there's a switch on the right side. Flip that towards you. It unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easier. Load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page, or else it won't load correctly. Put the color back on black. Shift on each side, a shift lock on the left. To clear that, just hit the shift button again. This lever here is your ribbon reverse. We'll get to that in a second. This is your backspace. Very good margin release. When you get to the end of the margin, there's a mechanism that blocks you from printing. Hit that margin release. Does it allow you to type past that all the way to the end. All the brand new ribbons loaded on the left, so it's pulling clockwise to the right. If you want to switch that direction, we're going to use that lever here. And that just flips down and it swaps it. So if it's pulling to the right, it'll swap it to the left and vice versa. We do want it to pull to the right. This is your touch control. Right now we have it all the way to the front, but if you want higher tension, there's a number. There's an L down here with numbers all the way up to 7 with an H. So that's just, it loads a spring that's connected to all the keys that will just increase the tension when you hit them. You do have to hit the keys harder for them to print, but they respond faster. This has a nice response, so I just keep it on low. Carriage release on both sides. Really nice bell. And this is on the front side of the knob here is the carriage lock. So you push it down and it will release the carriage and then lock it in the middle. To unlock it, just move it to the right. Carriage release on the left side. Super smooth. This is very nice condition for its age. All around beautiful glossy paint, original. And if you pull out this knob here, it will disable the spacing so you can get to an exact spot on the page. You push it in, you get the clicks. Each one of those clicks is 1 space. And that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy or my new website, brooksawantiques.com.